Health and safety in earthworks. Difficult ground conditions. Work zone protection, maintenance of equipment and machinery. Safety in earthworks is of utmost importance to protect the workers, equipment, and environment from any harm or accidents. Safe execution of earthworks requires the preparation of design documentation preceded by appropriate soil tests and a detailed plan of work execution. Professional workers, licensed machine operators, efficient equipment, proper machinery, competent management, and experienced supervision should be provided. The construction of the luxurious Sol Marina apartments carried out by Deckpole is an example of an investment that requires a special approach in the field of safe earthworks. The seaside marina is built in complex ground conditions with a high and variable groundwater level in an area of very limited infrastructure. A high pace of work is required, resulting from environmental restrictions. Work can only be carried out from October to March. During the morning briefing at the construction site, the work plan for the day is presented. Such a plan should specify the type and place of the work to be performed, together with the assignment of tasks and deadline to specific persons. An interactive form and site map is recommended in a calm place that allows attention, concentration, and discussion on the possible threats and ways to counteract them. It is crucial to verify the earthworks plan and adapt it to the current hydrogeological and atmospheric conditions at the construction site, as well as the actual availability and conditions of the resources. An example of Sol Marina's special approach to a difficult construction site is to use the specialized Leica equipment to monitor the dredging of the marina trench completely filled with water, the professional adaptation of excavators for difficult conditions, and the use of articulated haulers. Preparing for earthworks requires checking of the machines, including safety machine instruction review, technical and visual inspection of the machine's hydraulic system, tracks, tires, and checking the level of operating fluids. This helps ensure that the machines are in good working condition and will not cause any accidents while working. Before starting work, the workers fence off the work zone to ensure that people or other equipment do not come near the working area. The workers then start up heavy equipment adapted to difficult conditions on the site, such as a track excavator, a track bulldozer, a 6x6 wheel drive hauler with limited slip differential, and drive them to the working area. Once fenced off, the operator begins excavation with safety lights on and ensures everybody remains within the safety zone. After preparing a safe workspace, the operators proceed to work. A key role here is played by the hauler, which transports the soil from the excavation to the storage yard. The dump truck must be equipped with reverse warning signals and visual signals. An important element of the safety rules is the cooperation of the excavator operator with the truck driver, as well as the determination of signals to stop the vehicle. In conclusion, safety in earthworks is a crucial aspect of any construction project. Proper preparation, including checking machines for earthworks, putting on protective clothing and equipment, selecting the proper machine for the purpose, and fencing off the work zone, helps ensure the safety of workers and equipment. Working safely and storing soil in a safe way are essential steps in preventing accidents and injuries. Safety first.